What's up guys, Albert here from Animal Racing Customs, and we are on our way to TMSS Motorsport to pick up the Escort. Finally she is done and she looks unbelievable. I'm going to insert a few photos of the branch, the full turbo back exhaust, the intercooler piping and everything. Very excited to go and pick up the car now. Yeah, stay tuned. We're on our way to TMSS Motorsport.
Cause I don't want nobody to change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect.
What's up guys? Okay, so you can see the Escort is back in the garage. Just want to give a big shout out to TMSS Motorsport for doing all the piping in the car, from the tip right through boost pipes, intercooler piping. Everything that's there has been done through TMSS Motorsport. To you and your team, thank you very much. We appreciate it a lot, and yeah, we'll see what's happening tomorrow. Then we need to sort out a few small issues and take it from there. Hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe and share the shit out of it.
Cause I don't want nobody to change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect.
Take a breath, hold it tight. Trace the memory in every line. Does any